The arguments continued in the afternoon session today. They are not over. I am still arguing. It will continue tomorrow again at 2:30. Basically, the court focused today on the municipal laws. Under the Municipalities Act, what are the powers of the chief officers? Who are responsible officers to take care of complaints of illegal construction? Who are supposed to find out that illegal constructions do not come within the jurisdiction of municipality? All those facets were looked into by the court. Court prima facie felt that there are some guidelines or some instructions which are required to be issued by the chief officer to the municipal engineers and the inspectors, how they are supposed to keep vigil over the illegal construction. There has to be weekly assessment of the proceedings which are taken out against the illegal construction. The court wanted to know what action can be taken against the officers if any default or failure is pointed out as far as taking action by these officers are concerned. All those provisions of Municipalities Act and other provisions were pointed out to the court. So court has noted all this. The court wanted some solution as to how this work of removal of illegal construction can be expedited, and further no construction of this type spring up in the jurisdiction of the municipality. The court also was concerned about the constructions which are coming up on the road or on the road line or adjoining the road. So court was observing that as far as these structures are concerned, they are required to be removed on priority basis, because they are not only the nuisance but they are cause for a problem, and it may be hazardous to have these structures on the roadside. So this also was observed by the court today. The arguments are going to continue tomorrow again at 2:30, and let's see what happens.
Sir, it was pointed out that there is no sufficient penal provision in the present law. What was that?
See, the court was trying to find out as to what is the penalty that is prescribed under the Municipalities Act and the Panchayat Raj Act against the illegal construction. If somebody brazenly carries out an illegal construction, what happens is at the highest it gets demolished. But there is no penalty prescribed, in the sense that no imprisonment is provided for. The fine is also very meager, some 5,000 fine is prescribed. The court was observing that if this is the nature of penalty that is prescribed, then the people become brazen, and then they don't care for the law. So the court was observing as to what solution can be found out, whether it is possible to impose some penalty upon these people for causing damage to the nature by carrying out this illegal construction, whether heavy cost can be imposed against this type of people. That is what a prima facie observation that took place during the hearing of the case. But these are not orders as such. They are just observations. So we have to see what happens in the final order.
Thank you, sir.